What is 3D printing? This is the process of creating physical, three-dimensional objects or products using a digital file. This is typically accomplished using additive processes, which is where the printer lays down thin, successive layers of material until the object is complete, although some 3D printers exist that can create entire structures at once. 3D printers allow users to make complex three-dimensional items using less material than required for traditional manufacturing methods, and virtually anything can be printed, from organs to food to artwork.
How does 3D printing work? There are three processes that 3D printing uses. The first process is modeling, which is developing a mathematical coordinate-based representation of the surface of an object. The next one is slicing, where we slice a model into layers in order for the printer to create the final product. Lastly, we print the object so it dispenses thousands of layers of plastic on top of each other. Some materials used for 3D printing are ABS, carbon, and conductive filaments, and some techniques are FDM, SVL, and ALP.
The application of 3D printing are endless. Some of the most popular are healthcare with prosthetic and implants, jewelry and art, and food, in particular meat. 3D printed meat is an edible rendering of a meat-like product created from an additive manufacturing process. It is made from cultured meat, which means it is lab-grown, cell-based, or cultivated. There are many advantages. For example, it's customizable and environmentally free, but there's still cons, for example, regulatory challenges, as it is a relatively new field. Despite that, the global 3D printed meat market is projected to reach 515 million by 2030.
Must happen for 3D printing to be successful. So right now, the type of materials that can be used are limited. We expect that the list of materials that can be used will expand to include a more diverse range of printable materials. Another issue is that 3D printers have small chambers. In order to print something bigger, you'd have to print in separate parts and combine pieces later. 3D printing also requires cleaning up afterwards, which tends to take a lot of time. Lastly, when people lack the skills to 3D print, their finished product will not turn out right. A solution for the last 2 points would be to integrate AI and robotics in order to automate processes which will enhance efficiency and precision.